Okay guys, today we come to you with other thing to do. We are changing the towing ring into the towing hitch ball, this one, instead of this, for a Nissan Patrol. Okay guys, now after we tight it and secure it, you have to make very sure that these bolts are so tight, because the towing hitch, it will be used to towing boat or towing a car, so there'll be so much pressure on it. You have to be very careful with that. And then we fix our hitch ball, and then we put our hitch pin. Don't forget the lock, the safety lock of the hitch pin, and we are done.